In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your broker to MetaTrader 5. If you're setting up MT5 for the first time, this is one of the most important steps because it's what allows the platform to connect directly to your trading account. Once everything is linked correctly, you'll be able to see live prices, manage trades, and use the platform normally. To begin, the first thing you need is your broker credentials. Log into your broker's website dashboard and look for your MetaTrader 5 account details. Specifically, you'll need your MT5 account number, which may also be labeled as your login ID, your trading password, and the exact server name connected to that account. The server name is especially important because many brokers have separate servers for live accounts and demo accounts, so make sure you use the one that matches your credentials exactly. Once you have that information ready, open MetaTrader 5 on your computer. In the top left corner of the platform, click File, and then choose Log into Trade Account. This will open the login window where you'll enter your account details. Now type your account number into the login field and enter your password into the password field. Take a moment here to make sure everything is entered correctly, because even a small typo can prevent the connection from working. Next, click the Server drop-down menu and select the exact server provided by your broker. This step matters more than many people realize. Even if your login and password are correct, choosing the wrong server will stop MT5 from connecting to your account. So if your broker gave you a specific live or demo server, make sure that's the one you choose. After that, click OK to connect. If the login is successful, you should see a green status icon in the bottom right corner of MetaTrader 5, along with a connection speed reading. That's your confirmation that the platform is online and connected properly to your broker. If your broker's server doesn't appear in the drop-down list, don't worry. Go back to the File menu and click Open an Account. From there, search for your broker's name and select Find Your Company. Once the broker appears, select it, and then continue by entering your login details again. This usually refreshes the server list and lets you complete the connection, and that's it. As long as your account number, password, and server match exactly, your broker should connect to MetaTrader 5 without any issues.